Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for branded content. Now let's say you want to sign up for branded content. So there are two ways you can get there. You can from here click on your profile picture, click on view profile, click on edit profile, and then at the end you see branded content, and then you click on sign up. Now Pinterest branded content program is a service that connects creators to brands for sponsorship opportunities. So when you sign up, Pinterest will do their best to match you to brands, but sign up does not guarantee you brand deals. Now this is the first way to get here, so click on sign up, or the second way to get here is from the home menu. Click on the gear icon at the bottom here for more options, and then you click on settings, the first option here, settings, and then it should bring you here, and then click on branded content. Let's see if we can sign up. Don't forget that Pinterest branded content program is a service that connects you for sponsorship or other opportunities on Pinterest. By signing up, you're telling Pinterest that you are open to them helping you get brand deals on Pinterest. If you are going to sign up, you allow Pinterest to share some information about you and your audience with advertisers so that they can consider you for paid opportunities. And here's the type of information that Pinterest will share with this brand. 1. Your profile and account information, such as your name, your username, your email address, your content, languages you chose. Also, information about how your content performs, such as your engagement rate, follower count, and your interest. It also gives aggregate demographics about your audience. So you can also opt out of this program by going to settings and clicking on branded content, and then clicking on sign up. So it will sign out. So by tapping sign up, you allow Pinterest to share the information about your content with advertisers. There's no guarantee that you'll be selected for paid opportunities, but it's a good idea. So if you want to go through with it, you click on sign up, and then you're eligible, and click on done. It's as simple as that. So if you want to find out more about it, these are the options: how to make money on Pinterest, pay partnership, get support. So read this through, and it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for